he was able to be a support system. And I believe in his life, he wants to leave a mark.
I only went to the doctor if something cracked and either you could see it or if it was painful. My family's thrilled. My friends, my good friends, cannot believe that I even went to a dentist long enough to get a filling, never mind a new smile. So one of them even said, I got to meet this doctor. I came in the first day, I said, I think I want veneers. I had a lot of damage in the back of my teeth, so I ultimately needed to have a healthy mouth. They were all cracked, broken, a missing tooth. Dr. Dustin actually was able to support me
and not just tolerate, He was able to be a support system. And I believe in his life, he wants to leave a mark with happy smiles. And like I said, validate that a person can feel that way, that this did happen. When you've been through what you've been through, it doesn't matter what your fear is,
Even though I have a beautiful smile, I can promise you I would not come back if I was not comfortable and confident. It's a smile on my heart now because now every day I have that and I'm absolutely willing to come back here. So it's more than the work, it's also the feeling that you can come back here. The Rabin Family Dental Office has changed my entire life.